Hi Adam, I thought the best way to illustrate this would be with a little video. Sorry it's 6:40 before already, but hey, what the heck. Alright, okay, so as I was saying with the thing, now the original, what they've done is they've put this piece, and that piece, and on the other side, on this edge, like that, which as you can see, it's in the way. For the redesigned carriage, basically will come about here and smash into this and all sorts of things. Belts get in the way and all sorts of stuff. There's absolutely no need for that, I think. Alright, so you should be able to assemble the frame, basic frame. Don't tighten down these ones because you'll need to put that there. Alright, so don't tighten it down, but basically you'll be able to make the base box, put that together and stuff and things, and just replace all the things as they come in. Now the mistake that I've made here, and I can't be bothered to disassemble it, right, is that I didn't put this one here. It's essential, alright, that you have on both sides, that you have these brackets 1, 2 and 3 on the same corner, so you end up with a triple filled in corner here, because otherwise it'll move about. Now let me see, where's the ruler? Where's the bleeding ruler? Here it is. Okay, all right, so you have 8 or I think it's like 79 millimeters. You should just about be able to get 2 of those 40 millimeter brackets in 1, 2, which really you should do as much as possible. Here and here, here and here. Now, this bit, we'll just have to redesign it and move it to this end. But this board, the thing, when it's at the full extent, it pokes out. Okay, so we'll have to arrange something. Where it's hitting, alright, where it's going click, is on the bed, the print bed thing here. You should also be able to assemble the print bed. You won't be able to do the belt because I haven't got the fucking bearing here, but no, don't worry about that. We'll sort that out. And remember, on this, anything on black is original, anything in blue is what I've been doing. Okay, so black, fine, blue, not fine, blue, not fine. The bracket mount, fine. This mount here, fine. And I'm using the Z-stop holder, but I've stuffed a piece of paper into it to make sure it sticks. I mean, it was I think. All right, so that side fine as well. So I think, and then I'm actually using their things in a rather higgledy-piggledy way just to get it out the way. It's not the right place, but it doesn't matter really, as long as you're happy with the cables and stuff and things. I'm using their extruder. All right, and what I've done is I used to have a piece that went on here, which lifted this up so that the print head came out under here, but it was a pain in the ass. That got sufficiently hot. The extruder got sufficiently hot that it actually started melting. Not this blue piece, the actual carriage holder with the bearings. Now all of this is arranged to just clear this by about 0.5 millimeter when it comes in. I'll show you as it comes in. Alright, clunk. Alright, I apologise, I've sort of cobbled this together thing because it's sort of a temporary thing, but it's actually doing the job, which is nice. Here you can see I've used a temporary Element long one in here, and that's a Element UU. Really, you should have these as far apart as you can. So I should have put that one up a bit. I think I've also I've got some bolts in the end here, and there are some little washers, some M3 washers, which I've pushed in there, and those basically I can adjust the spacing that the that the rod is a thing, so that when the belt is tensioned up, it doesn't pull it thing, because these here, they don't do enough of the job. They don't actually put enough pressure on to stop the thing they're moving on the belt. Now you could fill in the end here, but I'd have to calculate it exactly what it was supposed to be. I haven't had time to focus on that. It takes enough time to do this as it is. Anyway, so yeah, you can put the actual box together, put the rods in, put it on its aluminium plate, even perhaps put the springs together and put the that Mark II print bed on, so you'll get an idea of what it is you're doing. You really shouldn't take you long. It takes about a day, but just please bear in mind to remember when you get those brackets that you must have 3 on the same corner. I've done it on this one, all right, so you can see 1, 2, 3. All right, now I made the mistake of not putting those on that one, but then once you have 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, then you've got a reasonably rigid structure. It's not perfect, because realistically you need them in the corner as well, and with this you can't achieve that because there's nothing to put them on here. Yeah. So no matter what you do, it will slightly move sideways a little bit, I think, because you can't do that thing. I was thinking of creating not an acrylic but a PVC. It's a minion! I think a PVC border around here, which you attach 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Attach on that, and that would keep the thing from shearing sideways. All right, okay. So I'll just go and upload this for you. All right, cool.